On this video, I will be explaining to you what isotopes are. On the previous video on nuclear notation, I mentioned and talked a little bit about isotopes. So I'm making this video to clarify about it. So, isotopes. Isotopes are forms of the same element which differ only in their number of neutrons. So it's a different number of neutrons. What this means is that the atomic number will be the same, so it will have the same number of protons, but the mass number will be different, because the mass number, as you can remember, is the sum of protons and neutrons. An example of a very known element with isotopes is carbon. Carbon has two more isotopes. So there are three different carbons. There is carbon 12, carbon 13, and carbon 14. The number that is next to carbon represents the mass number, just the mass number. So as you can see, for carbon 12, it will have 6 protons and 6 neutrons, meaning the mass number is going to be 12, 6 plus 6, 12. For carbon 13, it will have 6 protons, like just like carbon 12, but again, it will have a different number of neutrons, making it an isotope. And for carbon 14, it will have same number of protons, 6, and 2 more neutrons. So again, it is a different number of neutrons. What makes an isotope? These numbers here just represent the abundance. So carbon 12 will be the most abundant, having 98.9% abundance. Carbon 13 1.1, and carbon 14, which is radioactive, only occurs 0.1%. And what this means is that, as you know, carbon's atomic mass is not 12 exactly. So carbon's atomic mass is 12.011, and this is occurring because carbon 12, which is the most common isotope, and carbon 13 is not as common, and carbon 14 are not as common. So the atomic mass, as I said before, is a weighted average of all three isotopes. So because the most common one is carbon 12, the atomic mass will be closest to 12. So what you have to remember about isotopes is that the proton number will be the same, and the neutron number will be what is different. And that's it.